What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how I make the song Family Pain, the instrumental like the beats. I want to show you how I do it perfectly step by step. I will break it down for you, the chorus, the melody, how I get the piano fits the right thing. So just stick with me what I make the Family Pain song instrumental. If some of you don't know the song Family Pain, you can listen.
I see chaos in my window, so I prefer to stay indoor. I'm still trying to let go to all the pain that I feel. Me, I no want die broke. I want to. I see chaos in my window, so I prefer to stay indoor. I'm still trying to let go to all the pain.
But this is how I make it. I start with the piano, electric piano, dark, very dark.
She know it's the only beat in me.
Start with the electric piano, very dark. You can see the I pay attention. Oh. This is the first key I felt. The first thing I felt do after making the beat. Like now, this piano I felt like touch. If I come to the shallow, I mean shallow, to make it more emotional. You get more emotional. This shallow you can make any song, any beat emotional. I promise you that I use it a lot. Then it's another you know church this thing that make any beat perfect. I promise you, but your beat will be amazing. No, don't doubt. What? This is perfect. Short, simple. Then this is another dark ground. It's another piano. It's dark. It's the same thing as the first one I used, but more like less darker. But everything we combine to make it more darker. Yes. I just copy this one and paste it here. Copy the same thing that is up is the same thing that is down. Listen to everything combined. You can hear the shallow, the dark piano, and the fire church.
She know
The
it's the
church
only
is at
beat in me.
it's on BandLab. It's very perfect. Let me say, I think BandLab is best. Check out the song Family Pain. This is the instrumental. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button, like button, comment if I should make my next video about beats or about song. Peace out.